Kamachielo team mar rugby mar KCB joloch tuke mag Driftwood Sevens higa mar 2025 bang' loyo team mar Strathmore Leos points 15 kuom 14 e finals mano bagi alap ma Mombasa Sports Club. Jobengi ma KCB no chako tuke makare tok jatugo Elvis Olukusi lawonegi try mokwongo mano oketo gi nyime points 5 kuom 0. Fred Wabwire gi ng'wech ma Harititi no medo KCB try machielo. Olukusi no medo try mare mar ariyo kapok jotugo dhi yweyo mano oketo KCB nyime points 15 kuom 0. Bang' jotugo wuok e yweyo, Barnabas Owuor noloyo ne Strathmore Leos try gi mokwongo kendo duoko points nyaka 15 kuom 7. Strathmore noriore tok KCB yudo kad makwar kendo loyo picha choma mane oketo points obedo 15 kuom 14. Team mar Kabras RFC no tike thuolo mar adek bang' loyo team mar Nakuru RFC 21-10.
We've managed to cross the first hurdle. There are 5 more to go, and we retain the focus and all eyes on Prince Lou at the moment. It's a great feeling, and then it comes with a lot of pressure. All teams are looking at us going into Prince Lou. It will be a tougher tournament for sure, but I know we'll be ready by then, and I'll continue the journey.
Strathmore are a very worthy opponent. You saw them, was it a month ago, playing in the rough and tough, and they won, beating Mwamba in that final. So Strathmore are a good side. And when it gets to the final, it's all about the details, the less errors you make. They made more errors in the first half. We capitalized on it. But again, we did not convert our points, which gave them the hope to get back. So when you get to the knockout stage, we have to polish up and make less errors, take the maximum points, and make sure we stay in the game.
Both on and off the pitch, I think the experience has been amazing. And I think the circuit has started off and has kicked off in a big way going into the next 5, of course, across the country.